When God creates his people, he creates them with different talent. And mine is for singing. So if you love me for who I am. And if you love me for who I am, not for what I am. No, loving me for what I am. Talent is talent, you can never change it, even if you hate it or love it. Talent is talent, it will remain talent. You will never break the ways of happiness. If God says yes, nobody can ever say no. Even if you don't like